If you guys don't know what I am doing here, I'm actually showing the person I am showing this trick that all the cards are mixed and they are all in random order. As you see me count the cards and place the cards down, I am just counting the cards up to 13. So whatever card I place down first, if it's a 4, you count up to 13. If it's a king, you just leave it by itself because kings are 13s. As I counted down the cards, I also forgot to mention that if there was cards left over, that I would just put them aside. At this point, I tell my partner to flip over 3 stacks, any stack she wants, and the rest of the cards I am going to put all together. Now I tell my partner to pick 2 stacks to flip the first cards over. At this point, I count down 10 cards, then I count down the cards that are flipped over, so 6 and 3. Believe it or not, the leftover cards tell me what the middle card is. Now at the end, the person being showed might look like this. Or they might look like this. It all depends. Now I'm going to show you how to do the card trick. To start off, you will need 52 cards. Make sure you have 52 cards or the trick will not work. Now, as you can see, I am mixing the cards. Just mix the cards in front of your partner to show them that all the cards are mixed and they are all random. To start off, you are going to take the topmost card from your stack. You're going to place it face up, and from there you're going to count up to 13, starting from what the number of what the card shows. So in this case, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And you keep doing this until you run out of cards. And of course, I forgot to mention A's in this case are going to be 1s, J's are going to be 11, Queens are 12, and Kings are 13. So if you get a King, it's going to be by itself. The Queen, of course, is just going to be 12, and J's are 11. And as you are going to see, A is 1, but we can't count up to 13 because there isn't enough cards, so you put those cards aside. Next, what you are going to do is pick 3 stacks, flip them over. It could be at random, it don't matter. You could also tell your partner that you are not going to look, so it'll be more effective. It'll be more like a cool magic trick. So then you are going to put the cards together, the ones left over, and out of those 3 stacks that you have there, you are going to tell your partner to flip 2 cards from the 3 stacks over, as you can see. Next, you are going to count down 10 cards. Always count down 10 cards at first. As I am counting down the cards, next you are going to count down the cards of the 2 cards that are flipped over. So 4 and J in this case, and J is 11. And believe it or not, the leftover cards are going to tell you what that card that is not flipped over is. So as I'm counting it down, as you can see, there are 6 cards. And believe it or not, that card that is not flipped is 6. After watching this, you're probably thinking, that's crazy, how is that possible? Well, anyone can do it, even my nieces can. My nieces are 7 years old, so if they can do it, you can too. Just following these steps will make you succeed. Thank you.